After 4 years, I decided to change my phone. This is my phone I ordered. I pre-ordered my phone from the 28th February. However, with some problem, my phone only delivery in last week. Yes, with my phone I have one Samsung S22. Also, I have 2 gifts include with my phone from Preorder. This is a lucky box from Samsung, and here also the silicone cover for S22. Now I will open my S22 Samsung phone. I choose my phone is this color. It's pink bloom sauce color. It's you see it's also have steel from my phone. And here I will open the cover for Samsung S22. Here, and also I will open the lucky box. Nation Seal graphic. This is used to change this first of Samsung. Now let me put my Samsung phone in the cover. Oh, with S22 we only had cable. We don't have adapter charge. Just Type-C to Type-C. Now put it. This is silicone, and over so this is yeah. I think you can put it in your neck or something. Oh, I will change it with the lucky box Nation Geographic. Now I have phone with geographic Nation Geographic cover here. Oh, I will put my phone in the cover. Maybe I need to take out this, but I don't want to take out this now. Okay, this is I think it's easy to put. It's finished. This is my phone.